Hey guys, it's me Dave. I'm playing alone today, but this is only really like a tutorial, not one of our normal videos or yeah. So what I'm gonna tell you is we were trying to do it we were trying to do it in the Clone Tycoon 2 video, but Yeet was on mobile and he couldn't really do it. So yeah. So I will first be going to Planet 1, which is the first one. But first, you see these little telescopes right here? This is what you want to follow. Look, so you can tap the green one button to look at the Planet 1, which is this way. The lava layer is this way. So, yeah. The Planet 1 gives you this helicopter. It's no different than the other vehicles, but in my opinion it's cooler looking. And the lava layer gives you the basement, which I think gives you a teleporter machine and a nuclear thing that helps you makes your missile stronger. So follow those telescopes and you'll be taken to where the planets are. Okay. So that's the Planet 1. It's big, blue. It's an honestly really small looking atmosphere. And yeah. So this one's more focused on like enemies. So this is it. So what you do is shoot down the eyeballs, they try and kill you. And be careful, there's a ton at like the corners. And when they're black and like red and look like a snake eye, that means they're dead, but run away because they're gonna respawn in like a few seconds. Or actually like 30 seconds. Yeah, 30 seconds. So yeah, don't climb the waterfall because it pushes you back down. These little pads with the plus sign are checkpoints. And yeah. So then the laser gun looks like a backwards tri-laser, which is just the hyper laser gun, which is one shot, but it shoots 3 bullets. This one, the eyeballs don't shoot at you, but they are like this, and you have to do parkour. You can pause their movement by shooting at them, which actually is makes it a little annoying because they just stay where you jump. And you get another pad, you have to go up here because you can't reach that jump down there. So you jump, and you jump here. Oh. Okay. Pretend I didn't do that. I just got tapped by an eyeball and didn't get hurt. Breakfast. Okay. This parkour jump. Why does it keep not registering me as jumping? I'm like holding the space bar when I walk off. So then jump. There's this thing called your mouse. Jump. So then even more. So you should take the left side because it's a bit easier. So yeah, you can't go through there. Jump down here and get to this pad. Now this little thing you see is called a boss battle. You can't shoot it through the red. With this guy, It really helps. So he just jumps and does that and kills you. Then you have to shoot it, and he has a heckload of health. I really wish they'd add so you can use your clones to fight the boss. Yeah, creator, if you're watching this, please either add the boss to the normal world, or make it you can bring your clones to this world and destroy the boss. Okay, you just have to keep moving, hide behind this big rock right now. Why is he why is the boss only going for me? Look, now he's dead. Wait for the body parts to go away. Now look. Look, you win, you can teleport back. Teleporting back, you should be able, if you have the 3rd floor, you should be able to grab the helicopter. Okay, so the lava layer is on the other side of the map. You follow the telescope, but going there it's kind of hard because the planet's over max height, so you have to get to a certain spot just to go to it. So instead of doing that, because on this computer recorder you can't pause the recording, I'm just gonna use the teleporter in the basement. So tap lava layer, tap yes. And yeah, it is trash. Okay, freeze. Okay, so the bronze key is here. So there's white and yellow white, yellow, and red lights. The white lights mean left. Yellow lights mean right, and the red lights mean wrong. So yeah. So then just keep following it. Keep going, and then take a right here. And that little red thingy is the key. So just walk over. Tap the pad. And then just turn the corner. There's a little ladder right here that you can climb in. Okay, so next, the amethyst key. I can't pronounce. Okay, I failed at the first jump, I think. This is not a first-person game. Now this is the longer but easier jumps, but this is the harder but shorter. So if your computer, I really advise you use that. And just finish the parkour, and there's amethyst key. Jump into the lava, it won't kill you, it will teleport you. Okay, so the last key, or I think the obsidian key, is a teamwork game. 67 seconds left. In that minute, I'm just gonna tell you what you do after you get all 3 keys. So what you do is so the 3 doors, the skulls are different colors. You match their corresponding color key, and tap the door or something, and you get these 3 shapes. You get the 3 shapes. Do it the bronze one. I'm just saying, sometimes the servers are glitched and won't let you do this. So yeah, he's getting out of the screen. And now I'm just gonna 20 seconds left. It's pretty much a teamwork game. You need 2 people. I'm not gonna grab 2 people. I'm just gonna wait for this game to go. So I'm just gonna start dancing. Okay, I'm gonna tap play. Game starting soon. And yeah. There's only literally 2 people on the server. Come on. Come on. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for people to finally hear my chat message. Okay, so this guy join the teamwork game. Okay, so what you do is these little pads, hold it, and then there's a little thing that goes. And then your little teammate has to hold it and wait for you have to go across and grab this one, and then here's the last one. And your teammate has to come and do it. And I come back, lend them the square, and grab the obsidian key. Then just tap the lava, you'll be teleported back. And tap. And tap exit. And then you get these, and then you get this one. So yeah, okay, so these 3 things that you get, look. So then you see this little barcode looking thingy. So you grab those shapes that you have and put them in order of door and color, and yeah. Okay, so that triangle, square, and then the bronze one is that, and the obsidian one is, I'm gonna memorize it, that. Okay. That. So then once you have that in, you win! Teleport back to Tycoon 2 for your reward. So teleport back, and then you're able to buy the basement and the helicopter. Oh guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. And I'm gonna stop recording.